Hello guys, welcome back to NFTins, but for today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix GoHighLevel website not loading. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering why GoHighLevel's website is not loading up for you. Well, first things first is you want to guarantee that the issue itself is not from GoHighLevel. But in this case, you want to go ahead and just go to google.com here and basically just type in is go high level down. So you should be able to see down detector here or the status website for go high level, which in this case, you go ahead and open up either page here. So in this case, if you can't access the status.gohighlevel.com here, you can go ahead and basically access down detector instead. But in this case, you should be able to see the current status of their website. So in this case, as you can see, there's no maintenance history right now. All systems are operational in the last 90 days. So it means Go High Level is working properly. So if you do see this option here, or you just see that all systems are operational, well, the next thing that you could do here is basically do clear a few things. So what you need to do is you want to go to Go High Level here, and you want to go ahead and right click on your homepage. You want to go and click on Inspect, and in here, you want to go to your top tabs here and click on the arrow you see here, and you want to access applications. Now, under applications, you want to go to storage, and you want to go and click on clear site data. And from then on, if that doesn't work, you go and click on including third-party cookies, click clear site data. Once you've done that, go and close this one, reload your web page here, and that should solve your issue. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.